In this video, I'll show you how to create a Wise debit card. First, open your web browser or the Wise app and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and complete the required identity verification. Next, from your Wise account, go to the Cards section. If you're eligible for a Wise debit card in your country, you'll see the option to order a card. Now, choose whether you want a physical card, a digital card, or both if they're available. Review the card details, any applicable fees, and continue with the order. After that, confirm your personal information and shipping address for the physical card if you're ordering one. Make sure all the information is correct before submitting your request. Next, complete the order and wait for Wise to process it. If you've requested a physical card, you'll receive an estimated delivery time. If a digital card is available, you may be able to start using it shortly after it's issued. Finally, once your card arrives, activate it by following the instructions in the Wise app. You can then manage your card settings, view transactions, freeze or unfreeze the card, and start making purchases online or in stores. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Wise debit card. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.